It's Denise with Wondubar Crafts, back from our little trip, and we're ready to do the Margarete Miller's Collage Weekly Planner. I think we're on week 11 now, so let's see. I think we're going to swap this over maybe. I don't know. I kind of like it like that, so we'll just leave it like that. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. We got back. We got a lot of stuff accomplished there that we're going to do this year. And talked about, planned out and stuff, but that of course put me behind on some other things because I had done, a pattern for a quote for last month, and I started the video before I left, was trying to get it up, and my computer went on the fritz for some reason, but my son got it fixed while it was gone, so hopefully I won't have any more issues. But unfortunately, that means that we were unable to do the quilt for last month, although I have the pattern and stuff, and I've got half the pieces cut, half the video was done, but then lost, and so I really don't want to, I don't have enough of that fabric to restart it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll finish them up just on my own. I've got some other things I need to catch up on. I think also, instead of doing full-on videos for those things, I will do some smaller videos so that you can refer to them, like explaining how to piece and, stitch in the ditch and that kind of thing. Because those in that first series of sewing are all in there, but I'll add some other ones like doing the freestyle and, stimpling and stuff like that. So then that way, if you do want to do a quote, you can always just refer to those videos. It will make it a lot simpler, I think. Then that way that will, I'll be able to do some shorter videos like, these are the amount of pieces you should have and blah, 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 So anyway, it looks like I think we're supposed to get rain late tonight, which stinks because now I've got to get my beehives painted and get them out there and ready to go to put some bees in, hopefully by next month. And I don't know, I hope I have enough time to get them on order and stuff, but everything is behind this year. Not good. Oh, what am I doing? I need that out. Okay. So for this week, week 11, I need child or children. So I found this cute, she's so cute. She's playing tea party with her little teddy bear. It was in one of our rural Missouri, it was like a video or a photo contest, and so I thought this was cute. So I want to put that in there. A cleaning product, kind of weird, but I got one with this, I don't know, vacuum thing, which I don't know. Anyway, so put that there. A flower, which I have here, and a barcode. Maybe we could put the barcode there somewhere, and handwriting. So I don't know if it was asking for me to do handwriting but I have a piece here I thought I would like to back up here, with, so we'll need to tear that piece. And then a bonus, something that works as a title for the collage. So I thought we could put that up there like so with our little girl. Of course, this has flowers in it too, but do like that. And then flowers, maybe we'll put our barcode here. or something like that. And then I have Sweet Serenity words for our title, and then the definition of serene. So like that. I just thought that would be cute. And then our numbers, we'll put them somewhere on there. So it'll be a quick and easy week, I think, which will be good. All right. So yeah, so it was nice to see my daughter. But we did get a lot of stuff done. That we needed to, get done for upcoming for the business, for this business. So, as you guys may or may not know, she handles most of my social media stuff on my Facebook group, which is Wondubar Crafts. And she does my Instagram as well. But if you have a question, she always lets me know what they are, and so I can answer them for you, unless it's something that's related to the page. We are going to look at doing some different things with the group, as far as opening it up and allowing you guys to, if you have a site or a YouTube channel or an Etsy, we're going to start letting you guys post that. I think we discussed posting your channel or videos on your channel once a week, and then like your business stuff once a month, unless you're having a sale, and then we will allow you to post that, because we want to help everybody try to succeed, especially with the crazy stuff going on in the world. I mean, we don't know what's going to happen next, right? I think I forgot to ink that, but that's okay. And so I don't know. I just think it'd be fun to have that kind of interaction in a place you guys could post some additional stuff. Because I know a lot of people use the same groups and stuff, but you never know. You might have one or two people that don't subscribe to those groups that, might be interested in your page or your, in your shop or your channel. Because I can certainly say it is not all about me, and there were plenty of people out there, still are, that help me. So I want to try and give back a little bit what I can. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit. But it was a nice little break, but it was so good to get home. Now I'm dealing with the neighbor's puppy. I guess her oldest son is in sports, and they have a dog. They're allowed to have this pet in the dorm, and because they're all the same, pretty much the same sport, nobody is around to watch, so she's taking care of the puppy. But he likes to he squeezes. She's so small, she squeezes right in between my cattle panel and gets right into my yard. And Saturday, she pulled a chicken out of the nesting box. She's broody right now, but she pulled her out. She didn't kill her or nothing, but she, was attacking her. And then did the same thing with the same chicken the next day. So it's like, puppy cannot be here. But she's hardly ever home because she's working, and I get it. but I should not have to spend an arm and a leg to try and to keep her stuff out. I mean, my fencing is there to keep my dogs in and my chickens in, you know, and I don't want to start World War III with my with my neighbor for sure. So she's a very nice lady, so I don't, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to deal with that. So we're just going to have to put some fencing, additional fencing or something up. So I don't know. But my girls are all freaked out, so their egg production has been next to nothing. I mean, I'm used to getting anywhere from 7 to 11 eggs a day, and I'm getting 2. And that's not good on them either, all that stress. Because then they start to lose feathers, and their immune systems go crazy, and poor babies. All right, I know it's not a big collage-y thing, but probably pretty boring. But I do want to try and get this done. I probably should do the other glue on that, but all right, let's see. Let's put it. I know it's covering the flower, but I like it. You can still see the flowers behind. Sorry if you hear that noise in the background. That's my son trying to get himself some lunch. We got to go out and paint beehives after this. Got 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 12 beehives to paint. Yeah. 12 of them going out this year, so. Okay, so we have a child or children, a cleaning product, a flower, a barcode, handwriting back here, and something that works as a title for the collage. So Sweet Serenity. So that's it for this week, guys. It was quick and easy and simple. What did it take us? Like maybe 15 minutes? But I'm back and I'm working on some stuff. I got to get this other quick finished because it's half done. I don't want to leave it. So I'll have that. I might put it in my Etsy. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Put them in my Etsy because I think I'm going to make, I cut enough for 2. And I've got like half of them done. So I need to finish piecing them and getting them together. I am going to work on, I need to start that journal for, that I want to do using Amy's, Crafty Cat's, her wee folk, and I need to get that done, and so I'll probably work on that this month, the rest of this month, and start designing a new quilt for April. It'll hopefully be very springy. I might do, instead of a quilt, we can do a quilted, it'll be quilting, but we'll do a quilted, maybe table runner or something, or for like Easter dinner or something like that. I think that would be lovely to do. So until next time, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Bye, guys.